The Barclays app. How to register for the Barclays app as an investments customer who does not have a Barclays current account. If you're an investments customer with Smart Investor or Plan and Invest, you can register for the Barclays app even if you don't have a Barclays current account. Start by downloading the app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Open the app and then tap Register for the app. Set up a passcode which you'll need to enter twice. Next, read the terms and conditions, and if you're happy, tap to accept them. Select No if you haven't registered for the Barclays app on any other device. If you've registered before, see our video Already Registered for the app instead. To register with your investment account details, select the Register Another Way option and tap Next. To register for the app, you'll need a mobile number and a form of identification such as a driver's license or passport. If you have these to hand, tap Continue. Enter your details. Then tap to confirm they're correct. You may be asked for your account-specific information if you have multiple account types with us. Otherwise, we'll proceed to ask for your mobile number. Select Barclays Investment Account Details. Then choose whether you're a Smart Investor or a Plan and Invest customer and enter your account number. Enter your mobile number. We'll now text you a 6-digit code which you'll need to enter here. Next, we'll need to check your ID. Select the type of ID you'd like to use, for example, your passport. To take a photo of your ID, tap here and follow the prompts on screen. Tap OK to allow access to your camera. Then, holding the phone over the edge of the ID page of your passport, tap here to take a photo. If the details are clear in the picture, tap here or here to try again. To make sure no one's impersonating you, we'll now need you to video yourself performing 2 basic actions. Tap here to allow access to your microphone. Position your face in the oval and tap the record button. Now say each number out loud. Then look over your right shoulder and back again. When you've finished, tap here to stop and here to submit and continue. After a successful check, you'll see this confirmation screen. Enter a word or phrase to greet you so you'll know that you're using the genuine app each time you log in. Enter your 5-digit passcode to confirm. Finally, choose your notification preferences, and you're all set up. You'll now be taken to the home screen, where you'll be able to view your investment balance here. You can find documents and statements for your investment accounts via the More option at the foot of the screen. You can tap on your investment balance to view any holdings or investments you may have.